In this unit, you studied the causative with have and get. For example, I got my hair cut yesterday. Let's look at this again. Jim and Clarissa are colleagues. They think their office needs some improvements. Listen to their conversation.
We definitely need to have the office painted.
Yes, and they should get a new air conditioner installed while they're at it.
Good idea. And what about new desks with locks? I had my wallet stolen once.
You did? You really shouldn't leave valuables in your desk drawer.
Jim says, we definitely need to have the office painted. This means they'll pay someone to paint it. They won't paint it themselves. The pattern is have plus object plus past participle. Clarissa adds that they should get a new air conditioner installed. To have, or get something done, means the same thing, although have is a bit more formal. Jim says, I had my wallet stolen. We can use this structure with have to talk about bad experiences caused by other people. We don't use get with this meaning. Let's look at a table of patterns with have and get. You can add the person who does the action after the word by. For example, she had her book published by a leading publisher. We can also use get plus object plus past participle when we want to highlight the end result of a process. We don't normally use have with this meaning. When you are ready, go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no.